Look at that bad boy. Nice. Can't wait. Oh man. That is great. They look, oh man, that white and the red is perfect.
What's up guys, it's Rex from R1 Concepts. We are back in the shop today. We got a 2020 Infiniti Q50S today. Really good color combo between this kit and the car. He's going to be running our 356mm 6-piston front, 356mm 4-piston rear. Overall with this build, it has a lot of nice little details to tie it all in together. So let's get this thing started.
Damn! Oh my god. Yeah. So guys, R1 Rex just finished up the car, put the BBKs front and back, and I have to tell you, it is awesome. It looks great. We're about to take it for a test drive, so I can't wait to see it. I'm speechless. It's exciting. I've been waiting for a minute to actually get this done. I finally got it done. It's like the missing puzzle to the build. It looks great.